Have you ever noticed how the news you see, or the content in your social media feed, seems perfectly tailored to your interests? It feels like the internet just gets you, right? But have you ever stopped to consider if these invisible forces, these digital patterns and preferences, might extend their reach beyond your personal screen and into something as significant as the laws that govern us? Yes, algorithms can absolutely influence the legislative agenda, though typically not in a direct, command and control fashion. Their impact is often indirect but profound, shaping the information environment that lawmakers, their staff, and the public navigate daily. The core mechanism behind this influence lies in how algorithms curate and amplify information. Digital platforms use these complex computational processes to determine what content individual users see, based on their past behavior, connections, and perceived interests. This algorithmic filtering can lead to the formation of filter bubbles or echo chambers, where individuals are primarily exposed to information that confirms their existing views. When public discourse becomes fragmented or heavily skewed by these amplified narratives, it inevitably shapes public opinion and the perceived salience of certain issues, which in turn influences what legislators prioritize. Understanding this means recognizing the pathways through which digital influence flows. For you, it means being critically aware of your own information diet and seeking diverse sources beyond algorithmic recommendations. For legislative bodies, it means that staff closely monitor digital trends, social media sentiment, and the narratives gaining traction online, all of which are heavily mediated by algorithms. This constant surveillance of public and media reactions becomes an input into the legislative process, helping shape priorities and legislative strategies. Furthermore, the rise of what some scholars term algorithmic governance extends this impact even deeper. This refers to the growing use of data analytics and predictive modeling, which are inherently algorithmic, by governments and political actors. Lawmakers and their campaigns use these tools to better understand constituent sentiment, predict voting patterns, and even target specific messages to voter demographics. This data-driven approach, powered by sophisticated algorithms, can refine legislative proposals to garner more support or identify key issues that resonate with constituents, thereby directly influencing what makes it onto the legislative calendar. Ultimately, the influence of algorithms on the legislative agenda is a testament to the evolving nature of political power in the digital age. It underscores the critical importance of understanding how information is disseminated and consumed, and how those processes, often unseen and automated, shape the very issues and policies that reach the halls of government. Recognizing this complex interplay allows for a more nuanced appreciation of contemporary lawmaking and civic engagement.